Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Stick around to see the world and your life in a different way. Today, our focus is on the sociological explanation of group dynamics. A simple definition of group dynamics is both how a group influences an individual and how an individual influences a group. Studying group dynamics helps us understand the behaviors, attitudes, and relationships that form when people come together. And there are several characteristics sociologists identify when studying group dynamics. Size matters when we study groups. The smallest group possible is a dyad of two people, while the largest group is a society of countless people. Each time an individual joins or leaves a group, the group dynamics change. The combination of the type of group, such as a family, work group, friend group, its size influences our attitudes, behaviors, and self-identities, often transcending the individuals in the group as the group takes a life of its own. Groups evolve and develop their own ways of doing things, which include communication, roles and norms or expectations for behaviors. As groups grow, people step up to take on leadership roles. Conflict resolution and power differentials include peer pressure and also influence group dynamics. Some group members might have more influence or power over others, shaping the group's decisions, direction, and outcomes. And conflict is unavoidable, and how groups handle conflict makes a big difference, especially regarding social cohesion or that togetherness. When group members feel connected to each other and the group, they support one another and are less likely to leave the group. Each group member's characteristics, background, and life experiences shape group dynamics. For example, their social and personal identities, statuses, family histories. All of these influence their group behavior, how they respond to conflict, and for what roles they volunteer. And we also see that coalitions emerge in triads or groups of three or more. Coalition is a group within a group, and these can be obvious when a group decides to officially form goal-orientated subgroups, such as subcommittees, or not so obvious when people organize themselves based on interests or characteristics. So these can include things like gender, race, similar roles, and alliances or cliques. And as you can see, group dynamics is complex due to the many variations that occur in groups, and it grows in complexity as group size increases. Think about the last time you worked on a group project. Maybe it was for school, or perhaps it was organizing an event with friends or colleagues. Notice how each person brought their own personality, strengths, and weaknesses to the group, and eventually how the group evolved and settled to fulfill its purpose or mission. Being aware of the different variations that contribute to group dynamics allows us to understand our families and friends differently. Instead of being swept up unconsciously in family dynamics, you can practice taking an outsider's perspective, such as that of a sociologist, and observe the roles, the coalitions, the power differentials, the social cohesion, the rules and norms, and individual personalities, and how all of these play out. As a reminder, individuals both influence the group and are influenced by it. You can do the same in any group. For example, in a classroom setting, work meeting, neighborhood get-together, gathering of friends, and extend your observation to large groups such as sports teams, organizations, and even social media. And as you learn to observe group dynamics, you will notice patterns, including your own influence on groups and how they influence you. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, give a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.